Hello, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this mini strawberry puff puff. Puff puff is widely known amongst Africans, but for this one it's a little bit different with the addition of two other ingredients. Those are my secret ingredients. So if you want to know how I made this, kindly sit back, relax, and let's try this. It's actually my first time. Let's try it together. Right here I have some strawberries. As you can see, I'm going to be blending these strawberries and I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. And also right here I have my active dried yeast with some warm water. I'm pouring the yeast into the water. This is about 8 grams of yeast. I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of sugar to make it really proof quickly. And I'm setting this aside for about 10 minutes after stirring. I'll allow it to rest for 10 minutes before I can use it while I mix the other ingredients. In my mixing bowl, I'm going to just put in some flour. I'm going to sieve the flour. Sieving your flour makes you to have a very fine texture at the end. And I'm adding some nutmeg. So I'm going to leave the description of all the items in the description box. I'm adding a little bit of salt and about 3 spoons of sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll mix all the dry ingredients together. Make a hole in the center. Right now I'm pouring some evaporated milk. And then here comes my already blended strawberry. And my yeast. Remember the yeast that I've been sitting down for about 10 minutes? So now I'm going to mix everything together. The strawberries just make this mini puff puff. It just takes it to another level. It's the game changer in this recipe. So I'm just going to mix that till it's ready. So what we're looking for is kind of dropping consistency, and that's what we got. So at this point, I'm just going to mix it a little bit and then I'll cover it up for 45 minutes and I'll let it sit in my microwave because it's kind of warm in there. And this is after 45 minutes. It has already doubled the size. So right now I'm going to beat out the air from it before I start frying, and my oil is already heating up, as you can see. I already used this oil before, so I'm reusing it. So I'm trying it with this little one to see if it's okay to start frying. So right now the oil is set for frying and I'm beating out the air from our puff puff mixture. So you kind of use your hand, make a hole and just press the mixture out through your thumb and your first finger. Like you see me do here. When I started, I forgot that we're making mini strawberry puff puff. I was already putting some large ones. So I said, oh, I so I had to start all over, and I started making the little mini strawberry puff puff. I'm going to be flipping them so that one side that is already cooking, I'll flip it over to the other side to cook. Sometimes they get so stubborn that they don't want to turn or flip. So I just use whatever I'm using to flip them, I just use it to hold it to one spot. So I'm going to fry this till it's golden brown before I take it out of the oil. And I'll repeat the process for the rest. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you all to all my subscribers who keep coming. And those of you who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, like, share my video. Feel free to share my video among your friends and your family. So at this point, some of them are ready. I have to take it out of the oil. And don't forget, I'm frying on medium heat. You don't have to allow the oil to be too hot so that it can cook through. Right here, our puff puff is already ready, as you can see. Don't they just look so cute and mini? Look at the inside, so chewy and so nice. Outside is a little bit crunchy, inside is really nice and yummy. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you. See you hopefully in my next video by God's grace. Bye.